A very good morning to the respected ma'am and the audience. I am Tanmay Bisht from the class 12th. We are coming across the news of the Taliban takeover in Afghanistan for the last 1 month. We are watching the videos of fights and protests happening there. Some people think that it is because of the withdrawal of the US Army from the Afghanistan. Now, my friend Krishna Bisht and me are going to present some of our views on this topic. In my opinion, I think that this decision of the United States should not be criticized. A question comes to my mind that how long would US Army fight for a war that was never in their national interest? How many generations would lose their lives in an indefinite war? As the US President, Mr. Joe Biden, says himself that trillions of dollars have been spent on the Afghan army and many high-tech missiles and nuclear weapons have been given to them. But see how they used it. Nobody could give them the will to fight for their future, to fight for their nation. One day, US definitely had to leave the Afghanistan, and then also the consequences would be the same. So why would a nation funnel billions and trillions of dollars and resources indefinitely on Afghanistan? At the end, a single question that I want to ask to all of you is, what would be your views on this if India were losing its soldiers on that land for the last 20 years? So now, I would like to invite my friend Krishna to present his views on this. Thank you.
Good morning, respected ma'am and the audience. I think Joe Biden's decision to take back US Army from Afghanistan was a great blunder, and I'm going to speak against it. As Joe Biden and political party have not planned properly over the withdrawal of US Army from Afghanistan, who was deployed for 20 years in Afghanistan, made a sudden movement and left Afghanistan overnight, which resulted in Taliban taking over the Afghanistan. The US Army also left so many vehicles and ammunition in Afghanistan which costed millions to the US, and they are now in the hand of Taliban, which is a matter of serious concern. As there is a government of Taliban in Afghanistan now, they have started to implement their rules and regulations, which is popularly known as Sharia law. They have not allowed women to work outside their home and also implemented strict laws on the clothing of women and also eliminated schooling for girls. So many Afghan people are in a great fear and have been killed along with so many Afghan leaders. Not only Afghanistan, but the whole world is facing a mighty threat of Taliban, as because of them there is many chances that terrorism and illegal activity may increase. So this all has been done in such a short period of time, and the future is still to come. So I think this was Joe Biden's great blunder, and the world is seeing its consequences. Thank you.